Healing coughs and bronchitis. Coughs are truly not very nice symptoms. I say coughs because there are many different types of coughs, and we will cover them briefly here. And yet, often in the development of a cough lies a fantastic opportunity for openly speaking out, openly engaging in a effective conflict culture and to confront courageously what needs to be expressed through the throat. Bronchitis are often a spring clean of the heart center of the patient. And so this manifests in various physical symptoms, and there are indeed many different types